Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to clone a repository from GitHub to Visual Studio Code. This is an essential skill for developers who want to work with code from GitHub directly in their local development environment, making it easy to edit, test, and contribute to projects. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to github.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. After you've logged in, navigate to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Click on the repository you want to clone to Visual Studio Code. This step is important because it takes you to the specific project you'll be working with. Now, once you're on your repository page, look for the green code button near the top right of the page. Click on it and you'll see a few options appear. Navigate to the HTTPS tab, which is usually selected by default. Here you'll find a URL link. Go ahead and copy this URL by clicking the clipboard icon next to it. This URL is what Visual Studio Code will use to download the repository to your computer. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can also copy the URL link directly from the top of the page in your browser's address bar. Both methods work perfectly fine, so choose whichever feels more convenient for you. Since I don't have VS Code Editor open right now, I'll walk you through the next steps clearly so you can follow along on your own machine. First, launch Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once it's open, you'll need to access the command palette, which is a powerful tool that lets you execute various commands quickly. To open the command palette, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P if you're on Windows or Linux, or CMD plus Shift plus P if you're on Mac. This will bring up a search bar at the top of your VS Code window. In this search bar, type git::clone and you'll see the git::clone command appear in the drop-down menu. Select it by clicking on it or pressing Enter. Next, you'll see an input field appear where you need to paste the HTTPS URL you copied earlier from GitHub. Paste it into this field and press Enter. Visual Studio Code will now prompt you to choose a location on your computer where you want to save this repository. Navigate through your folders and either choose an existing folder or create a new one where the repository will be cloned. Once you've decided on the location, click Select Repository Location. After the cloning process completes, which might take a few moments depending on the repository size, Visual Studio Code will ask you, would you like to open this repository? At this point, simply click Open to load the repository directly in VS Code. And that's it. You've successfully cloned a GitHub repository to Visual Studio Code, and it's now ready for you to work with. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.